Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the use of QuillBot to paraphrase texts, just to make things quicker and easier. To start with, here's an example letter, and I will be using QuillBot to paraphrase this. All you need to do is to copy the texts and paste it on QuillBot. So the steps to use QuillBot. You just need to open your web browser and go to QuillBot's website. That's QuillBot.com. If you already have an account, click on Login and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create a new account. So for this video, among the 6 choices to choose from that QuillBot can offer, I will be using the Paraphraser. In the text box, paste or type the text you want to paraphrase, and click the Paraphrase button. Select the desired mode for paraphrasing. QuillBot offers various modes like Standard, Fluency, Natural, Formal, Academic, Simple, Creative, Expand, Shorten, and Custom. Standard for general paraphrasing. Fluency ensures the text is grammatically correct. Natural, keeping it basic and natural. Formal makes the text more professional. Academic, for academic writing. Simple, simplifies the text. Creative, adds more variety to the text. Expand, makes the text longer. Shorten, makes the text shorter. Afterwards, just click the Paraphrase button to generate the paraphrase text. Review the paraphrase text provided by QuillBot, make any necessary adjustments, rephrase further if needed. Once satisfied with the paraphrase text, copy it to your clipboard, and that's it. QuillBot is really a big help, especially to those people who needs help grammatically. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next video.